Hello everyone. Right now I'm going to show you how to break the page. So let's move to it. I'm going to show you how to break the page in Microsoft Windows, in Microsoft Word 2010. So I'm using 2010 version of Microsoft. So here you can find a blank page if you'll go to search and find Microsoft. So first, in order to break the page, we need to have some letters written in it. So let me write some letters. Here I've got a novel. I'm going to take the latest from this. So I was reading this novel and I thought it's best to use from it. So I copied it and I'm going to paste those letters right here. So here I've got a whole paragraph. Now in order to create partition, first you need to divide the mm, letters paragraph actually. So I've divided it, and so I want to break the page from this section, and this section I want this on the another page. So in order to do it, so at first move to the page layout. Here you can see break page in page setup option. Break page and click on the page. Now the letters are going to be in different page. So that's it guys, you did it. The page has broken. In order to confirm it, so you can see opposite letter P. Just click on it and it will show you from where the page has broken. So here you can see from this section the page has broken, and the others are going to this page. And that's it guys, enjoy, thank you, and please subscribe.